Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Was It Called. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Trust Wallet. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Trust Wallet Sign Up. Then go to Sign Up Trust Wallet. It will then take you to the official website of Trust Wallet. Then enter your email address and choose a username. Then enter a password with list of 10 characters that contains uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a symbol, and a number. Once you have entered your password, then click Create your account, and you should be able to sign up to Trust Wallet. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.